Happy birthday, Virgos! I wanted to talk to you about your crystals. A perfect crystal for a Virgo is Jade. Jade is all about being grounded. It's about a way to manifest prosperity. And Virgos know how to do this because they're always about coming up with a very good plan. If you want to come up with a financial plan, go to a Virgo. They're going to look at all the facts and figures and tell you how to get where you need to go. Another great stone for Virgos is fluorite. And fluorite appeals to the Virgos' analytical thinking, taking everything at a different layer and saying, okay, let's look at this and this and this from all these different perspectives. Last stone for Virgos, it is red Jasper. And red Jasper is all about let's take action, let's move forward. Virgos are great about getting organized and bringing structure to a situation. How do you go from A, B, C, D, putting everything in its place and coming up with an organized plan? Happy birthday, Virgo. Our planet would not be the same without you.